Hello and welcome to NATDA Trailer Show registration. We're so excited that you want to attend this year. We've created this tutorial to familiarize you with the 2023 registration process. As a member, you can register for free. But before you register, we need you to log into your Member Compass account. To log in, click this hyperlink, or use the Login button located in the upper right-hand corner of our website. Logging into Member Compass will make the registration process easier for you, as information will pre-populate your registration form. When you log in, please use the email address of the primary owner of your dealership account. If you don't know who that is, please call Member Services during business hours at 727-360-0304, extension 108. When you're logged in, you will see the Member Compass dashboard. It's here you'll want to check that any staff members you wish to attend the show are associated with your dealer account. To do that, use the left-hand side navigation and click People. When you do that, you'll see a list of anyone who is associated with your account. To add a staff member, click Add Person. Using the pop-up window, please fill out all required fields for that staff member. There are two things to note. One, under profile information, make sure the email address you associate with that staff member is a unique one to them. Two, Add Person is only to be used for staff members of your dealership. If you wish to register a guest, such as a spouse or child, then you will need to use the guest registration, which is located in the registration process. When you're done adding information about a specific staff member, click Save, and then exit out of the window. You'll repeat this process for each staff member you want to add. When you're done, use the left-hand navigation and click Dashboard. From here, you can click Register Now to go to registration. Here's an example of what registration looks like. You will have seen a pre-populated list of anyone associated with your dealership account. You'll click Register for each person and register them as you go along. Start with your primary person and hit the blue Register button. I won't walk you through every step of the process, but I'll give you an overview of all the tabs you need to use in order to register someone. Don't worry, this process goes very quickly. You'll see your pre-populated information. There is a carbon copy field in case you want an assistant or someone else in your family to have this information about your registration. Just enter their email here. NATDA and some of its exhibitors often also do circulate promo codes, which can enter you into raffles for prizes. You can enter more than one code in the promotion code field. Just be sure to separate these codes with a semicolon. As you go through each tab, don't forget to hit the Continue button to move on. Under personal information, you'll see pre-populated information regarding your name and address, as well as phone numbers. Please review this information. If you need to make a correction, this is where you can do that. Under the Demographics tab, you'll need to answer a few quick questions that helps NATDA plan for future shows. Additionally, you can also enter any emergency contact information for NATDA to have on site in case there's an issue. You can also donate to the 2023 designated charity, which is Habitat for Humanity of Greater Nashville. Any donation you make will automatically qualify you for the raffle for the ultimate prize package. The drawing will take place on the last day of the show. Under Agenda, this is where you can reserve tickets to any classes or workshops or events at the show. Please note that some of these events or classes may require an additional fee that will be published with the class or event information. Just be sure to look for that. We'll also need you to quickly review and accept terms and conditions. Under tab 6, this is where you add your guest, such as an adult guest like a spouse or any of your minor children. Under tab 7 is where you make your payments. This is where you'll see any fees or such as registration fees, ticket fees, donations, or other charges. And you can enter in your credit card information and pay. Tab 8 is the confirmation page. Please review any information associated with this person's registration and then click Accept. You'll also receive a copy of this information in an email. That's it. We look forward to seeing you at the show this year, and don't forget to book your hotel.